Just been trying out this mouthpiece. I really love the sound of it. It's got a great feel, a good balance between kind of a bright and warm, dark sound, kind of right there in the middle. Good feel in your mouth and everything, and I mean, it just looks great. Like, just look at it with this kind of unlacquered instrument. Super cool mouthpiece.
What do you think about?
Fantastic.
So this is my mouthpiece, and one company, the name is XJet. XJet is ceramic mouthpiece that printed by a new technology.
It's splendid.
Yes.
It's a fantastic piece. XJet. It's fantastic. It's kind enough to check it out and to try it and maybe to recall on it.
Hello, my name is Robert Schumann. I am the CEO of the Southern California Youth Symphony Orchestra, and I'm also president of the American Hollywood Film Academy, as well as the music director for the American Music Arts Center. And I just had the opportunity to try out the EMEOS XJet mouthpiece. And I've got to throw all my mouthpieces away. I'm keeping this one though. This is manufactured by computer, to be precise, to be perfect every time. And I give my fullest endorsement behind these mouthpieces. Thank you.
It's very interesting how finish the sound. Absolute with a natural diminuendo. Now I will play for you a prayer.